Welcome to the top best. The best drill block is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson looking to achieve precise and accurate drilling results, especially when working with various materials or angles that standard drills struggle to handle effectively, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit for projects demanding accuracy and control. Number 5. Milescraft 1312 Drill Block. Achieve perfect alignment with our handheld drill guide. Its centerlines ensure precise drilling into any surface, giving you confidence in every project. Work with confidence thanks to its non-slip feet. They keep the tool firmly in place, preventing unwanted movement and protecting your workpiece from damage. This drill block is designed for ultimate versatility. The integrated V-grooves allow you to drill accurately on corners and even round surfaces with ease. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and store. Take it anywhere your projects demand precision drilling. This is an indispensable tool for any woodworker. It simplifies common drilling tasks, ensuring professional results every time. What we like. This tool ensures your holes are perfectly centered every time. Its non-slip feet keep it steady, and the V-grooves make it versatile for corners and round objects. If you need precise drilling on various shapes and surfaces, this is your go-to. It's ideal for hobbyists and DIYers who value accuracy. What people say. Outstanding value for drilling plumb and level holes. Easy to use and durable build quality. Helps when you need a guide and can't get your workpiece in your drill press. The design and lightweight is excellent. No matter where you use it, you can count on the hole to be accurate and alignment to be spot on. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 4 Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 4 Tool Combo Kit. This set is designed to empower your DIY projects with cordless convenience and reliable performance. The drill driver offers precise control with its 11-position clutch, preventing stripped screws and material damage. Its built-in LED light illuminates your workspace, ensuring accuracy even in dimly lit areas. Tackle lumber cuts with ease using the circular saw. Its compact design reduces fatigue, while the high-torque motor and tool-free adjustments make every cut quick and precise. Keep your projects moving with the included work light, offering up to 11 hours of illumination. The 2 included batteries ensure you have double the runtime, minimizing downtime. This kit is part of the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max lithium-ion battery system. Enjoy the flexibility and convenience of using the same batteries across multiple tools. With a drill driver, circular saw, and work light, this combo kit provides essential tools for a wide range of DIY tasks. Experience the power and versatility for yourself. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for a wide range of DIY projects. With a drill driver, circular saw, and work light, you're covered for many tasks. The inclusion of 2 batteries means you can keep working without interruption. If you're a beginner DIYer or looking for a solid starter set, this provides great value and convenience. What people say. Drill, it's very light and compact, and anytime it's practical to do so, I will use this over my 3x heavier Makita. Also, it does come with a handy light. The reciprocating saw is my favorite. It's lightweight and is versatile for trimming trees, shrubs, roots, etc. It's quick too. The work light, having an estimated usage time of 11 hours charge, could be very useful in an area where power outages are common as an emergency light. Number 3. True Position Tools Cabinet Hardware Jig. Introducing the most accurate cabinet hardware jig on the market. Its patent-pending true calibration system ensures perfect alignment every time. Made and hand-calibrated in California, it offers DIY simplicity with professional durability. This is the only jig you'll need for shaker cabinets. It accurately installs handles or knobs on any cabinet door or drawer front. The patent-pending shaker spacers provide stability for drilling recessed drawer fronts. Installing hardware has never been easier. Simply tighten the thumb screws, hold, and drill, no clamps or marking needed. This tool takes the stress out of the process, allowing for precise, repeatable results. Crafted with the highest quality materials and aerospace precision, it guarantees your knobs or pulls are placed exactly where you want them. It pays for itself after just one installation, unlike counterfeit alternatives. As a family-owned business for 25 years, we build tools designed for professional use. Your jig comes with a lifetime bushing warranty and a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. Proudly made in the USA. What we like. Achieve professional results with unparalleled accuracy for cabinet hardware installation. This jig is specifically designed to handle shaker cabinets and is incredibly fast to set up and use. If you're looking for the absolute best precision and ease when installing knobs and pulls, especially on shaker-style cabinets, this is the ultimate choice to avoid mistakes. What people say. The Drillblock is a game-changer for drilling straight holes, especially in tight spaces. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver. The adjustable depth stop ensures consistent drilling depth, preventing over-drilling. Number 2. Big Gator Tools SDGMINI Mini V-Drill Guide. Introducing the V-Drill Guide from Big Gator Tools. This versatile tool is designed for precision drilling on various surfaces. It offers an impressive range of 21 drill sizes, covering all tap drill sizes from 10 to 32 down to 0 to 80. Ensure perfectly straight and accurate hand-drilled holes every time. It works flawlessly on flat surfaces, corners, and round parts. Constructed with heat-treated components for exceptional durability. You can rely on its performance for years to come. Featuring convenient side alignment marks, locating your holes accurately has never been easier. This tool is proudly 100% made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship and reliability. What we like. This guide offers an extensive range of drill sizes, covering almost any tap drill need. Its portable design and V-groove make it perfect for accurate holes on flat, corner, or round surfaces. If you frequently work with various tap sizes or need a highly versatile and durable guide for precise hand drilling, this tool is an excellent investment. What people say. This is perfect for making perpendicular holes with tiny bits. Seems to be holding up so far and it's not wallowing out. There are centering score marks on every hole, so it makes aligning it up to your exact location much easier. Impressed, good quality all metal, not some plastic junk. This little drill guide is handy tool. It greatly improves the accuracy of drilling by hand. I've been drilling pilot holes for 3-inch screws going into the edge 3/4 plywood, and it's been accurate enough for that type of work. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set, DCD 771C2. Introducing the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set. It's designed for power and versatility in your projects. Its compact and lightweight design allows you to easily maneuver it into tight spaces. This makes it ideal for working in confined areas. Experience powerful performance with its high-performance motor, delivering 300 UWO. This enables you to tackle a wide variety of applications with ease. With a high-speed transmission offering 2 speeds, 0 to 450 and 1,500 revolutions per minute, it's perfect for various fastening and drilling tasks. You get the right speed for every job. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures a strong and secure grip on your bits. Plus, the ergonomic handle provides comfort and control during extended use. This tool is perfect for home repairs, DIY projects, and light construction. It excels at drilling into wood, plastic, and light metal, as well as screw-driving tasks. What we like. This drill driver delivers ample power for a variety of home repairs and light construction tasks. Its compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to use, even in tight spaces. If you're a homeowner tackling DIY projects or need a reliable drill for light construction, its performance and ease of use make it a strong contender. What people say. The drill itself feels well built and high quality. It has a compact, lightweight design that makes it easy to handle, especially when working in tighter spaces. The ergonomic grip is comfortable, and the 2-speed transmission provides plenty of control for different tasks. The 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck holds bits securely, which adds to the overall confidence when using it. It drills through mostly anything, just used it to put mollies into a concrete outer wall and had no problem at all. It is not really heavy at all. Lightweight. It is fairly small and much lighter than all of my previous cordless drills I have ever owned. The Li-ion battery is much lighter than my previous NICAD batteries. Even though it is lightweight, it has a lot of torque and power. The battery life is great. This set also comes with 2 batteries, making it easy to switch out and essentially ensuring you always have battery to finish the job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.